All right, so thanks for the question about supply chain. So I think there's really three things that we need to think about with supply chain. The first is really what happened during the supply chain disruption? Why did it happen? What can we do about it? How do we mitigate it in the future? The second major issue, right, that's going on right now is reshoring, or at least alternative shoring, because of the influence of what's going on with China. I think there's always been a bit of a tension about China. We've gotten really good at it over the last 30, 40 years of supply chain, right? And that is the length of the supply chain. But the issues now is really about flexibility. And then the third thing that we really should consider is flexibility. How do we actually take advantage of digital supply chain and commerce solutions in order to handle this? So let's just start with the first, and that is, right, what happened? What happened with our supply chain and what broke? What didn't work? Well, what we found is that we kind of had a disastrous storm in the United States. First, right, we had a series of tariffs and trade negotiations going on between the United States and China. And in some cases, right, it made people search for alternate sources, it slowed supply, and it changed the pricing of supply. Changing the pricing of supply is always hard to absorb as you bring in new inventory and affect your pricing. You need to think about that. So we have systems today to handle that. What we didn't find that we had is when you add that second problem of COVID-19 breaking out, and suddenly you've got a halt in your supply chain system, a literal freeze of nothing coming in. How do you handle that? And how long is the supply chain, and what alternative can you put in, right? So the first thing I think that we have to recognize in this digital space is, did we do a good enough job on understanding the impact, right? And the real impact isn't just what's direct to you, it's what's coming out of your suppliers. So my first question to anyone would be, how are you thinking about supply chain visibility? In the visibility, how deep into your supply chain do you see? Do you understand the length of your vendor's time frame? Do you understand how many their vendors are? And so on, right? That's your actual supply chain. And all of us as professionals know that, but do we have a digital view? How real time is that view? The second thing then is, okay, we've got a disruption. Now we all know we need a digital answer, but we have a second disruption coming, and that's reshoring. Are we going to move things out of China and just over to Vietnam? That's a possibility, Thailand, Vietnam, that region. Or are we going to consider something like Central America, which I'm a personal proponent of because we can use 18-wheelers, our supply chain length gets really, really short, and there's nothing like shoring up your neighbors who are right here. But that gives you a variety of possibilities. I mean, always there's been a traditional supply chain in Mexico. I've done a lot of work in Mexico and Brazil. But how do you optimize that? And I think there's a real opportunity, but it's going to take years, right? There's an opportunity to think about how do you reshore. And you can see this happening. Stanley Black & Decker just announced a new manufacturing plant going into Austin, Texas area. And it's going to draw heavily from this hemisphere, right? It's going to cut off a whole lot of time. And so I think what we're learning is that flexibility and time, which we've known but never really quantified as logisticians and logistics professionals, is that how do we quantify that? And we have that ability now in digital systems. So we can cut here, and now I'll move on to digital systems. Man, I mixed that all around, but we'll cut here. All right. All right, so I was just talking about what is the benefit of the digital systems in the supply chain. First is measurement, understanding what the true length of your supply chain is, what the variability is in your supply chain, understanding what the actual rotation, how much are you turning your inventory, where in your supply chain is the weakness, right? Goldratt said in It's Not Luck and The Goal, he talked about the slowest portion of your supply chain is going to affect the whole supply chain. And we know that, but attacking that particular area may supply the ultimate flexibility. So sometimes we need to go back to basics. Do you need to reshore everything? Maybe not. Maybe what you need to think about is your slowest or your least common denominator parts. And if you reshored those, shortened the supply chain on that one thing, you'd open up your supply chain in a variety of different ways. The other problem is, of course, moving beyond safety stock. Let's actually look at supply chain flexibility, right? When I was part of logistics and purchasing, right, few rules, few good rules. And these are major company rules, but maybe as smaller manufacturers and distributors, we need to think about them. And that is, never be more than 25% of the business of one of your vendors. Lower is better. Never have less than 2 companies for supply. And now I would suggest, of course, more than 2 countries. Not just 2 companies in China, but maybe leave 1 in China and put someone, whether that's Africa, near shore of the United States. There are a lot of options. India, I think, is a growing manufacturing option. It's big in biopharma. Therefore, it has capabilities of other things. But you need to do the total calculation, right? How long does it take on board a ship versus an 18-wheeler, a train? All of that adds up, not just the manufacturing time. And if we can quantify that into a digital solution with vendor portals that directly feed your e-commerce, which is something I'm a huge proponent of and obviously build, understanding and managing things goes well beyond your ERP system. We can extend it backwards into your supply chain, give you real-time visibility, and make a real change in how you're managing supply. Love it. Man, I love that topic. I'm itchy. Oh. All right. You want to do another one, or you want to hit stop?
I'll hit stop.
All right. We'll come back. You want another shirt?
Do you want to, hold on.
Or we can stop for now and do another with Tom. I can arrange.
Yeah, let's do another one with Tom.
All right, let me see if he's available.
Okay, I'm going to end this one.
Yeah, you hit end.